For millennia we've gazed at the night sky wondering if we're alone. Our curiosity sent robotic emissaries into the cosmic ocean, none farther than Voyager 1. For nearly 50 years, Voyager has sent back data, revealing a universe more wondrous than we imagined. Its journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest for knowledge. But on August 10, 2025, Voyager's Odyssey reached a dramatic climax. Its final transmission wasn't a routine report. It was a cryptic message that stunned the scientific world. This last signal, a puzzle from the edge of our solar system, could rewrite our understanding of life itself. What did Voyager encounter in the deep silence between the stars? The world's greatest minds are racing to decipher its meaning. The implications touch the very foundations of science, philosophy, and our identity. Voyager's story is no longer just about exploration, it's about discovery, and perhaps, contact. Voyager's story began in 1977, when NASA launched 2 spacecraft on a grand tour of the outer solar system. They used a rare planetary alignment to slingshot from one giant to the next, a cosmic game of billiards. Their mission explored Jupiter and Saturn with cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers. The Voyagers revealed Jupiter's storms, Io's volcanoes, and Saturn's shimmering rings. Every image and data point transformed our view of the solar system. After their planetary tour, the mission was extended. The new goal crossed the heliopause, where the sun's influence ends. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object in interstellar space. It continued sending back data from this unexplored frontier. Voyager became a lonely outpost of humanity in the cosmic wilderness. Its journey beyond the sun was a leap into the unknown. Each day it ventured farther, carrying our questions with it. And then it sent its final mysterious message. Each Voyager carries a unique cargo, the Golden Record. This gold-plated copper disc is a time capsule for any intelligent life that might find it. It contains images and sounds portraying Earth's diversity, our planet, life forms, and humanity. There are diagrams of our solar system, DNA, and human anatomy. The record includes the sounds of wind, rain, whales, and laughter, a symphony of our world. Musical selections range from Bach to Peruvian folk music and Chuck Berry. Greetings in 55 languages, from ancient Akkadian to modern Chinese, offer a simple welcome. The Golden Record is more than data, it's a symbol of hope and connection. The odds of it being found are infinitesimal. It won't approach another star for 40,000 years, but the act of sending it matters most. It reflects our need to reach out, to connect, and to believe we're not alone. Voyager's message is a cosmic greeting card cast into the vast ocean of space. It says, "We are here, this is our world." Even if it's never found, it's a testament to our aspirations. The gesture itself is what endures. For decades, Voyager's faint signal was our most distant link to the cosmos. Its power came from a slowly decaying plutonium generator. As energy dwindled, NASA engineers shut down instruments, preserving only the essentials. Communicating with Voyager became a feat. Its 23-watt signal took over 22 hours to reach Earth, arriving billions of times weaker than a watch battery. Detecting its messages was a triumph of engineering. But the connection grew fragile. The team knew the end would come. Eventually, there wouldn't be enough power to transmit. On August 8, 2025, the expected happened in an unexpected way. The Deep Space Network received a signal, but it wasn't the usual telemetry. Instead, a brief, structured transmission lasted 9 minutes and 4 seconds. Then silence. The link was broken. Voyager 1 had spoken its last words. The long silence had begun. Humanity's farthest messenger was now a ghost ship in the Milky Way. At JPL, confusion turned to urgency as Voyager's final transmission arrived. It wasn't a garbled fade-out but a clear, strong signal, containing data unlike anything before. Standard telemetry was gone, replaced by a continuous stream of complex, repeating binary code. Dr. Elena Petrov, Voyager's lead scientist, recalled thinking it was a malfunction, perhaps a cosmic ray glitch. But the signal was too orderly, too deliberate. It had the hallmarks of a constructed message. The team worked non-stop, breaking down the 9-minute transmission. Patterns emerged, repeating sequences, mathematical constants, and error correction codes. It was as if Voyager's transmitter was being used to send a message back to us. The data wasn't in any human language or code, instead it was based on universal principles of math and physics. Patterns matched atomic properties of elements like hydrogen and carbon. The message was designed for a species that understands the laws of the universe. This wasn't a dying machine's cry for help. It was a deliberate, intelligent, and profoundly alien communication. The puzzle had only just begun. The world's scientists mobilized to decode Voyager's final message. Cryptographers, linguists, and physicists joined forces in a global effort. The first breakthrough came from Germany, a repeating Fibonacci sequence, a pattern found throughout nature. This suggested the sender observed the same universe as we do, a common ground for translation. Using this key, teams unlocked more, a detailed map, but not of our solar system. It showed a star with 6 planets, their orbits, sizes, and atmospheres. The star's position was marked relative to known pulsars, just as we did on the Golden Record. The final section was the most shocking, a diagram of a double helix molecule, but not DNA. It was a more complex, silicon-based structure, a blueprint for a different form of life. The message was clear: you are carbon-based, we are silicon-based, we exist. It was a direct statement of biological diversity on a cosmic scale. The message was not just a greeting, it was an introduction from another kind of life. Humanity had received a cosmic Rosetta Stone. The implications were staggering. We were not alone, but the story was about to take a darker turn. The true meaning of the message was yet to be revealed. The discovery of silicon-based life was astonishing, but a deeper analysis revealed something chilling. The star system in the message was familiar, 3,000 light-years away in Cygnus. We've studied its planets, their barren, lifeless rocks. No biosignatures, no evidence of the complex chemistry described. The paradox, a detailed introduction from a civilization that, by all evidence, no longer exists. The message wasn't a greeting, it was a warning. Scientists compared the pulsar map's timings to current data, revealing the message's age. The result? The message was composed 200,000 years ago. It was an automated transmission, a tombstone from a long-extinct species. Somehow, they detected Voyager as it passed through their ancient network. They used our probe to send their final legacy back to us. It was a message from beyond the grave. Their story ended in silence, but their warning reached us across millennia. The universe had spoken, not with hope, but with a cautionary tale. We were now the recipients of a cosmic epitaph. The silence of that civilization echoed louder than any signal. Their fate was a mirror for our own possible future. The message was clear: survival is not guaranteed. Learning we're not alone is profound, but hearing from a dead civilization is sobering. The message answers, are we alone? With a tragic, yes for now. It suggests intelligence may be a fleeting spark in the cosmic dark, a concept known as the Great Filter. Somewhere between life's origin and galactic civilization, most species fail to survive. The Voyager message is evidence. Intelligence can arise, flourish, and still vanish. Are we approaching our own Great Filter? The message forces us to confront our fragility and our future. Our conflicts and divisions seem trivial in the face of this cosmic warning. The world must unite. The discovery is a shared human inheritance. International collaboration in space and planetary defense is now essential. We're not just exploring for curiosity, we're exploring for survival. The silence of that lost civilization is the loudest wake-up call we've ever received. Voyager's journey has ended, but its final act gave us a new perspective. We once saw ourselves as the center of the universe. Now, we may be the last ones standing in our cosmic neighborhood. The universe is not empty. It's a graveyard of lost civilizations. The silence in the night sky may be the silence of endings, yet this realization is a powerful motivator. What we have on Earth, life, consciousness, culture, is unimaginably precious. The message from 3,000 light-years away is a legacy and a warning. Their story ends in silence. Ours is still being written. We have the chance to be different, to endure, to keep the light burning. The night sky will never look the same. When we look up, we see possibilities, warnings, and reflections of our own fate. Voyager's final transmission was not an ending but a beginning. It's the start of a new chapter for humanity. The choice is ours, to become another silent echo or a lasting voice in the void.